آج میں آپ کو السلام علیکم دوستو، آج میں آپ کو ہائی وولٹیج میچ کا ریویو ہائی لائٹس بتاؤں گا آر سی بی اور پنجاب کا، جو بہت ہی زبردست اور اعلیٰ قسم کا فائنل میچ ہوا ہے۔ لاسٹ بال تک میچ آپ دیکھیں گے کہ کیا سین ہے اس میچ کا، مزہ آپ کو آ جائے گا دیکھنے کے لیے۔ اس میں ویرات کوہلی کی بیٹنگ آپ دیکھو اور ڈیم سالٹ کی بیٹنگ دیکھو، وہاں پہ دوسرے سائڈ پہ ارشدیپ سنگھ کی بالنگ دیکھو کس طرح بالنگ کرتے ہیں پنجاب کی طرف سے، اور دونوں سائڈ پہ بہت زبردست میچ ہوا ہے۔ تو آپ لوگ اس کو لاسٹ تک ضرور دیکھیں، مزہ آئے گا، انجوائے کریں، اور بعد میں نیچے آپ کمنٹس اور سوال جواب پوچھ سکتے ہیں کہ کون سا کھلاڑی کدھر اچھی شاٹ کھیلی ہیں، کس نے اچھا باؤنڈری لگایا، کس نے اچھی بالنگ کی ہے، آپ مجھے لازمی کمنٹس میں بتا دیں، صحیح ہے؟ اور میں آپ کو انشاءاللہ ویڈیو کے بعد میں لاسٹ میں ملتا ہوں، آپ لوگ ویڈیو لاسٹ تک انجوائے کریں۔ اوکے۔
The RCB captain made it a point to say this is an away game because their away record has been outstanding. A little bit of swing, but it's a wide. So the scoreboard is moving for RCB. Swings the other way. It's an interesting contest this, because Arshdeep Singh has got full salt out 4 out of 6 times this year, especially with a short ball. Finds a fielder. You're right, Michael Clark. Last 5 games, his economy rate is 10.4. Hardly got a ride. Plays the shot. Just over. Is it going to be their day? 6 inches lower than the wicket. So this is 6 for Salt and RCB. Back for 2. It's not far away. He does, and he plays it beautifully. He plays it much finer. And he started off in great style as of RCB 13. Yeah, this is smart batting. I think it's poor bowling. Shot again, but the bounce is over the right shoulder this time. 13 for no loss RCB. The pull shot from ball 1. It goes over mid-on. Salt boundary. And he's off to a start in this final. That's a very good shot. Straight up. Backpedaling, not easy. Shreyas Iyer takes the catch. He's bubbled, but the bubble is broken. And Salt has to go. 131 matches, lots of experience. This time he's got hold of it. Mayank Agarwal hits brilliantly straight down the ground. A second 6 in the first 3 overs. And RCB are 34. Plays it fine enough for 4 into the pads. Fielder on the boundary was too square. It's too straight to Virat Kohli. Genius off his pads. The fielder there, will he get beaten? He does for 4 more. He loves to play that square of the wicket shot.
This is a very good shot. It's all timing. 39, in spite of losing a wicket. Well, this is a good pitch. Speaking to the groundsman, Karthik. Up for the most, because that is a key component.
That's the first thing Michael Clark mentioned. He said
To subside that a little bit and getting it. Good placement. Said it's actually going to get better as it progresses. It's going to hold together nicely. We get trapped. That's up in the air. And he's kicked it over the line. Didn't quite get it. With his knee then, a little knock. Pulls this time. So at the end of power play, 6 gone, 55-4. Al-Chapa. This is... That's up in the air, straight down the throat of the man at square leg. And as he often does, Shahab, he gets a wicket. And this time in his first over. Loosens up. Oh, what timing! It's a top shot, it raced away to the boundary. Right, Patidar is the one who's taking on the bowling. The fine player is spin bowling.
Yes, the captain saying
Swings it away, but there's a fielder there.
a glimpse of this now, folks, right? 10.
11 of that over. Too disappointed with where they are at this stage. It will be rather 21st of June. Umar's eye. Short ball, but it'll only be one. Your headstands. Now he finds the boundary. A well-controlled shot, waited on it. Maybe Umar's eye has given away his length with the previous 3 balls. Sai Sudarshan played a lot of his cricket here. This Kohli goes over. Patidar goes over. Dare I say that was Kohli-esque. But Patidar it is who's getting a move on. How close? Finger goes up and the batter's walking. And once again it's Jamieson who in the middle overs has produced a wicket.
and you've got to say
10 of the over and a wicket, 11 gone. It's 97 for 3 RCB. And that's why I said he's capable of this one here. There he comes, straight away. Down the ground for 6. So the message loud and clear in that break. Take the attack to the opposition. Catch the bull by the horns now. Make this count. Kohli goes onside and splits the field. Just what the doctor ordered after the break. 6 and now boundary for Virat Kohli. That's up in the air. And it's a good catch. Again the plan executed to perfection. It was short to Virat Kohli. 1 for 4. Kohli the man dismissed. I beg your pardon, Omar Zai. Final ball and another good over. This was an excellent over. Okay.
Batters, here's a look at Virat.
Now I can see all the bowlers
Against Mumbai, and it worked.
Most of those grounds are square boundaries that are shorter. Top edge. Just beats the keeper. Oh, that's beautifully played. Very powerful.
Absolute class.
6 tonight.
Brilliant. Jitesh Sharma has hit a 6. So fine on the onside. Now straight down. This is brilliant batting. 180 degrees in the other direction.
He's go out to the streets and play.
Now Liam Livingston is in. RCB have come to this final. 220. How close? Up goes the finger. He's just looking back. Livingston. Jitesh has taken, they said yes, and Livingston takes the review. The only thing that could save him is if it's drifting down leg. Oh, but not this time! Not this time!
The bails light up, the stumps light up. Jitesh has played a fine little innings, but it's a little one.
Here again a big move. Shepherd in strike.
Short but fine leg had come up. And so he gets a four. The fear of him hitting down the ground is. This is huge. This is Shepherd. And it doesn't matter how big the boundaries are. 14 of the over and he's in. Bowls the full ball. Finger goes up. Nobody's... Oh, he's reviewing it as he walks off. That's a strange one.
Picks a long wicket.
So far. Has he connected that? There's a man down that long on. Shreyas Iyer takes the catch. The wickets are falling at the end, but they've got 189 on the board. 200 looks very deep. Can he finish well? I don't think he can. It's straight up in the air to the fielder. And another wicket goes down. 3 wickets for Arshdeep at the end. The Royal Challengers finish.
Yeah, we're back at the Narendra Modi Stadium and the first half of play has been finished. Royal Challengers Bengaluru put into bat. Were never really allowed to get away. Salt got off to a flyer but didn't last too long. He was out for 16. Kohli struggled with his rhythm. They had 43 from 35. Here we go. And Posh runs. Just drifting onto the pads. That's raced away through the fence. And Punjab on their way. That's in the air. Third man. Over him. Just over him. A 6 to end the over. 13 of the first one. Again. Loose drifting onto the pads. Leg byes will be signaled, but it's another boundary to end the over. Again, 10 coming off it. After 2, 23.
He was looking for space, and as it turns out, he's got it for 4, because this was a very decent last 12, 13 balls.
Right. Up top, but this one, much more convincing, much more in control.
There's a pickup shot, but there's a fielder there. He's taken it. He's taken it full salt. He might have turned this game. That is a stunner. And you can see everybody running all the way to the boundary. It looked like it was headed there. Connects. This time goes over the ropes. Once again, a fielder was loitering there. But he had no chance. And Inglis has got a 650 cup. 52 for 1 after the power. Right, fielder there. This time it goes over. He's such a good player of the back foot to that shot. Because he stays low, he's able to hit it over so well. Of 18. He's not getting a move on. And now this ball. Big shot. Judged it beautifully. And I think in the context of Prabh Simran's innings, that is such an important ball. And take the single. Very, very good over for Punjab. Top edge. Should be taken. Is taken. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Very safe pair of hands. Krunal Pandya has bowled really nicely. The first over was special, and this time out just gets one to hold on the surface. And immediately after the break, terrific form. It's been pumped through the onside. He's so quick on anything short, and Romario Shepherd doesn't. Taken. And straight into the hands of the wicket keeper. You did mention that it is going to be a big moment. It has turned out to be. Shreyas Iyer is on his way back, and it's Romario Shepherd who's provided that delivery left. Again, brilliant. Just 7 off it. 88 for 3. Shot. And once again, his favorite area.
Well, they're not learning to English. English goes down. Straight to the fielder and long on. Could this be the match? Liam Livingston on the boundary. Judged his position. Outstanding. Romario. Straight back. First boundary after 13 balls. And they might just have found another way to get runs because the RCB have just been given their second warning. Oh wow! Nehal Vadera, 12 of 13 so far. This time he connects and it goes over. The flame. That's in the air and should be taken. Kunal Pandya takes a catch. And the pressure beginning to mount here on the Punjab. It's taken! Straight to short corner. It's 2 and 3 balls. And you can see the RCB fielders, the relief on their face. He was the impact player in the city. No, another one bites the dust. Omar Zai comes, Omar Zai goes. And Punjab Kings now just beginning to cave in. That's up in the air, 6 of the first ball. And after 18 years, it is the RCB who win their first ever title. It's taken them 18 years. And under Rajat Patidar, they win the IPL.